Good morning, students. Today we are studying continuous progressive tense. If activity is going in present, it is present continuous tense. If activity was going in past, it is past continuous tense. If activity will be going in future, that is future progressive tense. So let's start present continuous progressive tense. Present continuous is used for an action that is progress at the time of speaking. It means action is going at the time of speaking. Example, he is reading a book. It is used to describe an action, event or condition that will continue for some time. Is he learning to drive these days? It means action is going for a certain time. It is used to express an action that is planned to take place in the near future. Example, the doors are opening in 5 minutes. The structure of present continuous or progressive tense is in affirmative sentence, subject plus is MR plus V1 plus ing plus object. We use first form plus ing in every continuous or progressive tense. Negative sentence, subject plus is MR plus not plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Interrogative sentence, is MR plus subject plus V1 plus ing plus object. In interrogative sentence, we place helping verb. The helping verb are is MR. We just use them at the starting of a sentence. Is used with subject singular. R is used with subject plural. M is used with I. Dears, word used in present continuous or progressive tense are now, right now, this week. Now we are studying future continuous or progressive tense. The future progressive is used to describe actions going on in the future. It means activity is going on in the future is future progressive tense. Example, I shall be taking lunch when it is 1:30 p.m. It is used for an expected action which is to take place in the future. We shall be seeing the Taj during our visit to Agra. It is future continuous or progressive tense. Structure of future progressive tense is affirmative sentence, subject plus will shall plus be plus V1 plus ing plus object. As all the continuous tense, we use V1 verb first form plus ing in every continuous tense. In negative sentence, subject plus will shall plus not plus be plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Interrogative sentence, will shall plus subject plus be plus V1 plus ing plus object. Dears, as I have told you earlier, shall is used with first person I and we, or will is used with second or third person. Words used in future progressive tense, when, after, as soon as. Students, now we are talking about past continuous or progressive tense. It is used for an action that was in progress in the past. It means activity was going in the past. Example, she was singing a song. It is used to express an action, event, state that was in progress at a certain point of time in the past. Example, he was getting ready to go to office at 9 a.m. It is used when two actions in the past are in progress at the same time. Example, my mother was watching TV while I was talking to a friend. If we use present continuous tense, example is my sister is watching TV while I am talking to a friend. It is present continuous tense. It means activity is going in the present. It is present continuous. If activity was going in the past, it is past continuous or progressive tense. Structure: affirmative sentence, subject plus was verb plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Negative sentence, subject plus was verb plus not plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Interrogative, was verb plus subject plus v1 plus ing plus object. Dears, always remember that helping verb in interrogative sentence is used at the first. Dears, was is used with subject singular. Were is used with subject plural. Was is used with I. Word used in past progressive tense while or when.